Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about keto family meals. I've been on keto, on and off keto for a while, and I've got 7 and 9-year-old children, and I thought I'd share some of the strategies for how I don't drive myself crazy but still be able to cook keto meals for the family. So if you're new around here, I have been on and off the keto diet for a while, and I share keto inspiration meals and what I eat in a day, as well as weekly vlogs sharing my life. I moved from Australia to Ireland, so I share that as well. So subscribe to join the journey, and also leave a like and a comment to let me know your strategies for family keto meals. So let's get into it. So I've actually written a blog post which I will leave down below with our 7 favorite keto family meals. These are meals I make time and time again, or adapt, as you'll find out, to feed the whole family. So I don't really want to go and make 4 separate meals for us, so I try as much as possible to adapt the meal that we're eating so we can all eat the same, but my kids aren't on keto, so they have carby sides, and my husband and I have keto sides. So for example, one of our favorites is spaghetti bolognese, or spag bowl as we like to call it. And so I will make bolognese, I'll make beef mince, I'll use the lowest carb tomato pasta sauce that I can find, I'll cook it up, and for the boys I'll make fettuccine or tagliatelle or spaghetti, and for my husband and I, we will either just have it loaded with cheese, or I might make some zucchini noodles to have with it so we kind of get the noodle experience. But I'm quite happy having a bowl full of meat and cheese. That's just heaven for me, so that's one of our go-tos. Another is roasts. I'll often make roast chicken or roast lamb, and then I'll make potatoes, carrots for the boys. For my husband and I, I'll roast some cauliflower, garlic, and maybe some onion too. Really just depends, but then it's just throwing all the veggies in at the right time. I wouldn't go cooking cauliflower for 2 hours, but I kind of throw them in at the right time, and then kids have their potatoes, we have our cauliflower. It's not too much extra work, just filling the whole bowl, the whole dish full of all kinds of ingredients so we can all be happy. And there's a chicken bake as well that we all love. It's my kids' absolute favorite meals. It's so easy, it's the easiest. Call it my best ever chicken bake. Again, it'll be in the blog post down below so you can see it, but we just basically bake chicken in a tomatoey sauce, add a bit of cheese. It's keto friendly, the kids absolutely adore it, and it's a meal we can all absolutely enjoy together. And then old favorites like hot dogs, sausages, hamburgers. You just have it without the bun. Kids get to enjoy it with a bun. Nothing wrong with having bread in the house if you're not going to eat it. If you want to be strictly keto, kids will have a hamburger on a bun. Husband and I will have ours bunless, maybe sometimes in lettuce, maybe sometimes with a bit of cheese. You know I love cheese. Cheese on the side, a bit of avocado, maybe some sour cream, cucumber the boys always like as well. So I just will adapt it so it's one meal, and then they'll have a bit of carbs, we won't. It's just what we do. And then when it comes to pizza, kids can have pizza night, and then you can have keto pizza. There's so many keto pizza options. We love it on mushrooms. I get massive mushrooms and then put all the same pizza toppings that I'll put on the kids' pizzas, but just on a mushroom instead for us. I do try and get them to try some of ours, but yeah, that doesn't always work. They don't always want to eat what we're eating, so I try and I don't just pander them and give them what they want, but I know that with keto I can't expect them to eat all of our meals, so I try and get them to try little bits here and there, but it's definitely possible. And with other meals, with breakfast, I'll make fried eggs for us. Sometimes they'll make them fried eggs as well. They'll have toast. I'll make them toast and cereal, which is easy enough to make while I'm cooking the eggs, so it's not too much extra effort. But it's usually the dinners which you don't want to go. It's the end of the day, you don't want to go make a million different things. But yeah, those are kind of my strategies and what I do so that I don't go crazy and they still get to enjoy meals, and we enjoy as many family meals together as possible. And remember to check down below for the blog post where I go through our 7 favorite family meals that we enjoy together while we're on keto. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more yummy inspirations, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've got any other strategies to add for how you follow keto with your family, your favorite keto meals. I look forward to reading your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.